Hi, good morning children. Yesterday we learned about the additions. Examples I given. Now we are going to the exercise 2.1. So first bit is what is the first bit? Add the following numbers by breaking one of them. So breaking one of them. See children here. What is the question? 24 plus 59. So in this you have to break one number. What is the first number is 24. As it is you should write 24. So you have to break 59. 59 you have to break. So how to break? As it is 24. 59 means 50 plus 9. Okay? 50 plus 9. So first you have to add these two numbers. Okay children, first you have to add these two numbers. So how to add? 24 plus 50. See here, first you have to go ones place and tens place. Here what is the ones place here? 4. Tens place 2. So you have to go from ones to tens. So first you have to add 4 plus 0. So when we are adding 0 to a number now, so you will get same number as answer. So same we will get sum. So 4 plus 0, 4. As it is 4 it will come. Next we are going to the tens place. So in tens place what are the digits? 2 plus 5. So 2 plus 5 how much? 2 after count 5 numbers. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So what will get sum? 74. So you have to write here 74. Next you have to add this 9. Okay. First we are breaking here number 50 plus 9. First we are adding these two numbers 24 plus 50 equal to 74. After you have to add this number. So 24 plus 9. So how much 74 plus 9? So 9 here single digit. Yes or no children? So 9 here single digit. So you have to arrange this type. So first you have to arrange ones place. After then go tens place. So 7 plus 4. Now you have to add 4 plus 9. So 4 plus 9 how much? After 4 you have to count 9 numbers. So 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So how to write 13 here? So you should write down ones plus 3. Carry give to the tens place. Okay. Carry over to the tens place. So now you have to add in tens place. So what are numbers here? 7 plus 1 carry is there now. So you have to add 7 plus 1. How much 7 plus 1? 8. So what is the sum here? 83. So 74 plus 9 is equal to 83. Next second one is the 43 plus 17. So in this also you have to break one number. So first number as it is you have to write 17 you have to break. So how to break here? 17 means 43 plus 10 plus 7 is equal to 17. Okay. 10 plus 7 you have to write here. 10 plus 7. In this first you have to add these two numbers. Okay. First you have to add these two numbers. What is that? 43 plus 10. So how to add? So you have to arrange this ones tens column. So 43 plus 10. So here also same. 3 plus 0. How much 3 plus 0? 3. So you have to write down in ones place 3. So next we are going to the tens place. What is the digits are here? 4 plus 1. How much 4 plus 1? After you have to count. Addition means. So 4 plus 1, 5. So answer is 53. So 43 plus 10 is equal to 53. Next you have to add this number. Okay, 53 plus 7. So here also you have to arrange place value wise. So once first you have to take ones place and tens place. What is the number here? 53. This is 7 is a single digit. So you have to arrange in ones place. Okay. Don't write in tens place. That is wrong. So you have to go first ones place. So how much? 3 plus 7. After 3 you have to add 7 numbers. So 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, 10. So you should write ones place in 0. 1 carry over to the tens place. Okay, now we are going to the tens place. What is the digits here? 5 plus 1 carries there na. So you should add 5 plus 1. 5 plus 1 after 5, 6. So answer is 60. 53 plus 7 is equal to 60. This is a breaking. One number we are breaking here. In this way you have to go to exercise first bit. Okay children. Now second bit is the add the following numbers by breaking both. Before one we are breaking one number na. Now here breaking both numbers. So what is the question first one? 45 plus 19. So in this you have to break these two numbers. So how to break here? 49 means 45 means 40 plus 5. Okay. 40 plus 5 is equal to 45. Next we are breaking this 19. 19. How to break here? Say 19 means 10 plus 9. Okay. 10 plus 9 equal to 19. In this way you have to break these numbers. Okay. First you have to add tens place. Okay. Here what is the tens digits? This 40 and 10. 40 and 10 you have to add first. Okay. Tens place you have to add first ma. 40 plus 10. How much 40 plus 10? So first you have to arrange like this 40 plus 10. Ones place and tens place. So 0 plus 0, 0. 4 plus 1. After 4, 5. So 40 plus 10 is equal to 50. So you should write here 50. Next you have to add this ones place. So one digit, single digits. What are the single digits here? 5 and 9. So you have to add 5 plus 9. How much 5 plus 9? After 5 you have to add 9 numbers. 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So you should write directly here 14. Now you have to add these two numbers. This is a tens place, this is a ones place. You have to add these two numbers. What is that? 50 plus 14. Okay. 50 plus 14. How much here? 50 plus 14. So first you have to add this first ones place. 0 plus 4. How much? As it is, it will come 4. 5 plus 1, 6. So answer is 64. This is a breaking two numbers. Okay. First you have to take 45, break the 45 number. So 40 plus 5 is equal to 45, and next number is 19. Break the 19 means for 10 plus 9 is equal to 19. First you have to add this tens place. What is in tens place here? 40 plus 10. 40 plus 10 is equal to 15. Next add the single digits. What are the single digits here? 5 plus 9. 5 plus 9 is equal to 14. Next you have to add these two numbers. What is this two numbers? 50 plus 14. How much 50 plus 14 is equal to 64. This is the answer. Okay. Next F1. So question is F1 ma 82 plus 39. In this also you have to break these two numbers. So 82. How to break 82? So 80 plus 2 is equal to 82. Next 39. 39 means 30 plus 9 is equal to 39. First you have to add these two numbers. In tens place, what are the tens place that you have to add? 80 plus 30. So first you have to add ones place after tens place. 0 plus 0, 0. 8 plus 3 after 8, 9, 10, 11. So what are the answer? What is this answer? 110. 80 plus 30 is equal to 110. Next we are going to the single digit. Ones place. What are the ones place here? 2 and 9. So 9 plus 2. 9 after 10, 11. So answer is 11. So 9 plus 2 is equal to 11. Next you have to add these two numbers. What is this two numbers? 110 plus 11. So in this you have to arrange period wise, place value wise. Okay. First ones place, tens place, 100 place. This 11 is 2 digit number. So ones and tens only you should arrange. Okay. So 0 plus 1, 1. 1 plus 1, 2. In 100 place, only 1 is there. Here nothing is there. So, you should write as it is 1. So, answer is how much? 110 plus 11 is equal to 121. In this way, you have to go breaking both numbers. Okay, children? Remaining all you should do in your classwork. Next is the third bit. What is the third bit? Add the following by counting in tens. Okay. Before bits we are breaking one number and two numbers. Now here we are counting in tens. Okay. So what is the question? 45 plus 17. So in this 45 as it is you should write break these numbers in counting in tens. Okay. Counting in tens. Here 17 is there. You should write here. Counting in tens means 10 plus 7. Okay, children? 10 plus 7 is equal to 17. Okay, first you have to add these two numbers. Okay, 45 plus 10 plus 7. First you have to add these two numbers. 45 plus 10. Arrange first column wise. Ones and tens. So, what is the ones column here? 5 plus 0. So, as it is 5 it will get sum. Okay, next column is tens column. So 4 plus 1. How much after 4? 5. So 55. So answer is 45 plus 10 is equal to 55. Next plus as it is 7 you should write. Now you have to add 55 plus 7. How much? This also you have to arrange column wise. Ones and tens. Here 55. And 7 is a single digit. So you should write in ones place. Okay, don't write in tens place. That is wrong. So you should write in ones place. Okay. So next add in ones place. 5 plus 7. How much after 5? You should add 7 numbers. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 means you should write 2 in ones column down. 1 in carry over to the tens place. Okay, 1 is carry is the tens place. So you should add 5 plus 1. After 5, 6. So answer is 62. 55 plus 7 is equal to 62. This is a counting in tens way. Okay. Next one, F1. F1, what is the question? 82 plus 39. In this also you have to break one number. So first number as it is you should write. Next number you should counting in tens way you have to break number. Okay. 82. So how to break this number? So how many tens are there here? 3 tens are there. This is ones place, this is tens place. So how many tens are there children here? 3 tens are there. So you should write here 3 tens. 10 plus 10 plus 10. In single digit, what is that? Ones place 9 is there. So in this way you have to break counting by 10. Okay. So first you have to arrange these two numbers. Okay. 82 plus 10 plus this 10 plus this 10 plus 9. So in this first you have to add these two numbers. Remaining all you should write same way. Okay. 82 plus 10. How much? 82. This is a rough work. 82 plus 10. Column wise you have to arrange these numbers. 2 plus 0. How much? 2 plus 0? 2. Next 10's place. 8 plus 1? 9. So answer is 92. As it is these 3 numbers you should write as it is 10 plus 9. Okay children. Okay, next we have to add these two numbers. What is the two numbers? 92 plus 10. How much? First you have to add these two numbers. 2 plus 0, 2. 9 plus 1, 10. So 102. 102 plus as it is these two numbers you should write down. Okay, next you have to add these two numbers. 102 plus 10. 102 plus 10. This also you have to arrange column wise. Ones column, tens column, 100 column. 10 is 2 digit number now. You should arrange ones and tens. 100 plus here nothing is there. So first 2 plus 0 is equal to 2. 0 plus 1, 1. Here 1 as it is you should write. So how much? 112. 112 as it is 9 you should write down. So 112 plus 9. See here 112 is a 3-digit number. Okay, ones, tens, hundreds. 9 is a single digit. This is a ones place. Okay, you should write here ones place only. In this tens place, 100 place, nothing is there. Okay, you should add ones place. 2 plus 9. How much? Or 9 plus 2 also you should count. 9 plus 2. How much? 10, 11. So you should write 1 down in ones place. 1 carry over to the tens place. Okay, now you should add this 1 plus 1. How much? 1 plus 1, 2. This one as it is you should write down. Okay, total how much? 121. 112 plus 9 is equal to 121. Okay, children. So in this way you have to count in tens. Break one number, count in tens way. Okay, remaining all you have to do in your classwork. Next is the fourth bit. Add the numbers by using the hundreds chart. Okay, using here 100 chart. So what is the question here? 65 plus 17. Okay, same like third bit how we are using, like this only you have to break here number. Okay, as it is 65 you should write, plus 17 you have to break this number in tens way. Okay, 65 plus 17 means how to break number here? 10 plus 7. Okay, children. 10 plus 7 is equal to 17. So first you have to add these two numbers. What is the two numbers? 65 plus 10 is equal to, add these two numbers, 65 plus 10. 5 plus 0, 5. 6 plus 1, 7. So 75. 65 plus 10 is equal to 75. Okay, as it is 7 you should write down. Next 75 plus 7. 75 plus 7. So this is 2-digit number. 7 is single digit. So you have to arrange in ones column. Okay, ones column you should arrange. So what is ones column here? Now digits is 5 plus 7. After 5 you should count 7 numbers. 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 2 write down in ones place, 1 carry over to the tens place. Okay, now adding tens place, 7 plus 1. How much 7 plus 1? 8. So answer is 82. 75 plus 7 is equal to 82. This is, in this way you have to do this hundreds chart. Okay, children, remaining sums you have to do in your classwork. Okay.